according to me, students including me still prefer going to classroom classes over virtual classes due to many problems that we face, such as lack of motivation, understanding of the material, decrease in communication between the teachers and the students, and the feeling of being isolated caused by the online classes. Beside this, there are a lot of barriers, for example, emotional, identity, accessibility, and attention barriers. So, these are the problems that we, being students, face, but our teachers do face a lot of problems. For example, sometimes the teachers just keep on shouting in the class and no one answers to their question, and maybe because we're not afraid of them that they would scold us or they would punish us as they used to do during the classroom classes. And I am really looking forward to go to school once everything gets back to normal, and I hope everything would be fine soon.
For the past 1.5 years, almost all of my learning has happened online, and I think that learning digitally has really helped me to use my time efficiently. So the time that was usually taken up in tasks like transportation or switching between classes or other trivial activities is now being utilized in doing things that are far more productive. Also, the schedule has become very flexible, and now I get to set my priorities in order. So now I know which task is more important and which tasks can be delayed. So that has really helped me in organizing my work better.
I completely agree with the fact that time is precious for all the people, especially the students, and also the fact that online classes have made our schedules more flexible and more efficient, because all the so called idle time, which included going to the school, getting ready for the school, coming back from school, and taking a rest from or the break from all these studies, this all included about 1 to 2 hours of our life, and this all has been eliminated, and now we can use this particular time in utilizing it for something very good or something very creative. So yes, online classes have successfully made our schedules more flexible and more efficient.
One thing that I dislike about online classes is the lack of interaction and engagement. So, in between classes, you're constantly tempted to switch tabs and check your Instagram feed. However, there's one greater thing that I like, which is that you can attend all your classes from anywhere, even if you're out of town. You don't have to miss all of your classes. And also, for the times when you're feeling a little under the weather, you can attend your classes from the comfort of your home. You don't have to miss your classes as you would in a physical classroom.
The only thing that I like about these online classes is that the pace at which we are studying or the pace of completion of our syllabus has increased, and therefore we get a lot of time for revising for our exams. But if I talk about my dislikes for these online classes, then there are a lot of things that I don't like about the online classes, which include all the network connectivity issues that can be from teachers end or from our end, that result in our loss only. Plus, there is an aura that is created in these schools, but in our homes, that aura, that the creation of that particular aura for studying is not possible.
I personally prefer offline classes over online classes because online classes require more time than on campus classes. Also, it is easier for us to procrastinate during online classes. Also, it requires more time management. It creates the sense of isolation. It is very difficult for the teachers to attain on-screen attention spam of the students. Also, it is easy for us to get distracted to other sides of our interest, for example social media. So these are the reasons why I prefer offline classes over online classes.
So, my answer to the question if the online classes have created a communication barrier between the students and teachers will be that there are both positive and negative aspects of these online classes. And if we talk about the positive side, then students can ask their doubts anytime and anywhere from their teachers, whether it be on the platforms like WhatsApp, Teams, or Google Classroom, and so on and so forth. But if we talk about the negative side, then there are a lot of topics or questions that require practical demonstration or physical interaction with students, like sitting or standing in front of the students and then explaining. So, my net answer will be that these online classes have created a communication barrier between the students and teachers for sure.
According to me, increased technology has the potential to create social disconnection, which can negatively impact the development of social and rational skills. Recently, it is also seen that screen timing is negatively associated with social skills development in toddlers. Also, digital communication can begin to replace valuable social encounters, and social media engagement can also contribute to social isolation, reduction in social interaction, and social skills. Thank you.
I completely second the fact that these online classes have declined our social skills. Due to this pandemic, all the students or all the people, they all are connecting on these various social media platforms, and there is a social development, but we can't say that it is a healthy social development. The healthy social development for students used to be when they came to school, they interacted with their friends or with their classmates and their teachers, but this all is not possible in these online classes. So yes, these online classes or the digital classrooms have declined our social skills.
Yes, apart from the connectivity issues on both ends, virtual classes have made students quite conscious about raising their questions or their doubts. It's also worth mentioning that school teachers are trying their level best to adapt to the new style of teaching and also making us comfortable at the same time. And fortunately enough, my school teachers have been very supportive of this whole concept throughout these tough times. They've always been there for me for all my doubts and problems. They're also trying to make their best efforts to make classes more interactive and engaging, and their efforts are worth mentioning and appreciating. Yes, I often get nostalgic about physical classes. There are times when you feel like you just can't take it anymore. It's on days when your Wi-Fi gives up or your head throbs like anything because of the excess screen time. Apart from all of that, of course, I miss loads of other things. I miss going to the library, I miss projects, I miss competitions, fate, annual sports, lab experiments, and who would have thought I would end up missing the school assembly? And since this is my last year of school, it's extra painful to sit at home instead of creating so many memories that I could look back at and cherish. But it is what it is, and all we can do now is hope for the best and hope for things to get back to normal and get better very, very, very soon.